This is the Tada Chair Series 2 Pro, a hiking stick that converts into a chair with a built-in phone holder. It only weighs 2.5 pounds, but it can hold up to 300 pounds of weight, and it converts into a chair within seconds. Today we're going to test out this chair and discuss why it may be worth buying. There's a lot to talk about when it comes to this converting chair. That's why we're breaking down this video into 3 different parts. We'll start off with the unboxing of the chair, and then we'll move into the setup and use of this chair, and then finally I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts. Before we get started with the unboxing, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video, however all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. And with that being said, let's start with the unboxing. Inside of the box, we're going to be greeted with the chair inside of a carrying case. This case comes with a shoulder strap, and we'll find the chair inside of this Velcro pouch. And this is what the Step to Gold Tada chair looks like. And we get a user manual to go with it. Now this chair is pretty simple to set up and use. First off, you could always use this chair as a trekking pole. It's compact, lightweight, and it has solid support, making it an excellent trekking pole. But if you want to get the full use out of the Tada chair, you're going to want to use it as an actual chair. To do that, there's a clip on the outside that you have to undo, and then you press down and it will collapse into a chair. Once it snaps into place, it is sturdy and ready to be sat on. Once it's in the open position, there's quite a few features that make this chair worth having. For one, there is a handle hook on the back that will extend out, allowing you to hang this on your arm or a chair. We also have a push button extension allowing you to lengthen the handle, making it easier to use for taller people. I'm just under 6 feet tall, and I like to use this as a trekking pole on the longest position. Lastly, we have probably my favorite part about this chair, and that is the phone holder. So while you're sitting, you can watch content on your phone without having to hold it. The phone holder is extremely easy to use. You just extend it out, and then you can adjust the viewing angle accordingly, and then you just simply set your phone inside of the bracket arms and it will clamp onto the phone, keeping it secure. In my opinion, this is a very useful feature because you can have your phone inside the holder and then your hands are free to get your water out or maybe have a snack. Then once you're finished using the chair and you want to transform it back into a trekking pole, you just pull up on the tab and it will collapse into place, and then you secure it all together. When it comes down to it, I think that the Tada Series 2 Pro is a very useful portable chair. It's not going to be the lightest trekking pole out there, but at least you have your chair built into your trekking pole, and that is a very cool design that allows you to always have somewhere to sit when you're hiking. It toes the line of trekking pole and camping chair, so it's not going to be the best of either of those categories, but it is one of the best when combining the two, which is ultimately why I recommend this if you're looking for a very unique style of trekking pole / camping chair. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos, so if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for when I release my next video.